Congratulations on receiving your Point Smart terminal. I'm Emily. Let's get that thing set up. You can follow along with me as I go through the steps on the screen. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that everything that should be included is included in the box. You should have the following items: smart terminal device, docking station, universal power adapter, quick start guide, and an extra roll of receipt paper. Before we power on the smart terminal and set it up, you'll want to make sure that you charge it for 2 to 4 hours. You can plug the power adapter directly into the side of the smart terminal and connect it to a power source, or you can place the smart terminal in the charging dock. You'll want to make sure that the larger screen is facing you and align the terminal with the charging pins in the dock. Once it's in the dock, connect the power adapter to the dock and then connect it to a power source. You can come back to this video when it's charged. If you have already fully charged your device, let's keep going. Press the button on the back of the merchant screen for 3 seconds to power on the device. Select a language from the list on the welcome screen. Now we're going to connect the device to the internet. Go ahead and select your home Wi-Fi network and enter your passphrase. Once you're connected to the internet, your device will check for updates. Please perform the update if there is one available. Your system might have to restart, but that's okay. It wasn't too difficult getting to this step. The setup will check for the activation of your GoDaddy Payments account. This should already be done for you since you used your account to purchase the device. Go ahead and create a PIN. You'll have to enter it a second time. The terms of service will display here. Go ahead and read through them. I can wait. Once you're ready to continue, accept the terms. On the next screen, you can run a quick test transaction by selecting Try It Now. But before we do that, let's load a roll of receipt paper. On the device, lift the latch on the printer compartment and pull out. That should release the latch. Unwrap a small section of the roll of paper and make sure that the rest of the roll remains tight. Place the roll in the printer compartment. The edge of the paper should be oriented toward the top of the roll like this. Now go ahead and close the latch. Sweet, you're good to go. Now we can go back and run a test transaction. If the prompt to run a test transaction is gone, you can select the terminal app from the main menu. Enter a small amount of $1. Tap Charge. Swipe, insert, or tap your credit card. Use the customer-facing screen to add a signature. On the merchant-facing screen, tap Receipt to print a receipt. On the customer-facing screen, tap one of the receipt options. Tap Done on the merchant-facing screen. Your transaction is complete. Before you start taking real transactions, let's void that test transaction together. Voiding the transaction is easy. Tap the home icon to go back to the main menu. Tap Transactions from the main menu. Tap the test transaction that you just processed. Tap Void to cancel the charge. Tap Yes when asked if you want to void this amount. That's it. You can start processing transactions now. I'm glad we were able to get you set up. I'm Emily. Have a great day.